See Lindelof video, solving radical equations number 23. So here we go. The first thing that we're going to do when we're solving a radical equation is keep in mind where that radical is. So here's our radical, and what we want to do initially is just isolate the radical. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to add -4 to both sides, -4. And then I'm going to rewrite this, and we'll have the square root of -3m plus 10 is equal to m minus 4, isn't it? Keeping in mind how you get rid of the square radical. So now my goal is to get rid of this square radical. And to get rid of the square radical, I square the whole thing. Remember, the rules of algebra say that what you do to one side of the equation, you must do to the other with some exception. And also that if you square a square root, a square root has an index of 2. This square and this square root cancel one another, so you just end up with the inside piece called the radicand. Here, this is really important here. So many students say to me, oh, I'm just going to distribute this to here and to here. Please. No. Right? Because m minus 4 squared is m minus 4 times m minus 4. So you have to expand this using FOIL, right? So you have to expand that thing using FOIL. And when you do expand that, you're going to get m squared minus 8m plus 16 is my math. Is that good math? I like that math. Right? I'm noticing now that I have a quadratic function, so I want to set this whole thing equal to 0. In other words, I want to move everything over to the other side. So I'm going to add 3m to both sides and -10 to both sides. So 3m to this side, then to this one. I'm going to add -10 to both sides, so -10 here. And we're going to get this. We're going to get 0 is equal to m squared minus 5m plus 6. Now it's just a matter of factoring this thing out a little bit. So as we factor this out, we get m minus 2 and m minus 3 equals 0. All right, from there, what are we going to do? We're going to solve this and get m is equal to 2, m is equal to 3. And then we have to go back up here and put these values of m in and see what happens. So the value of m, the values of m that we have are 2 and 3. So 2 and 3 are the two values. I put those values in. I get 2. When I put 2 in here, I have to subtract 4 from both sides. This goes to -2. Not possible. Right? Do the same thing again. With 3, put 3 in here. For m, put 3 in here. I get -4 plus 3 is -1 again. So here I think we have no solutions, right? I just want to check and make sure my math is right. So we have no solutions. These answers are both extraneous. So we say to our professor or our teacher, these are extraneous. And then we say no solution. All right, you guys, hope this was helpful. If you have any questions or comments, please let me know.